To enable or disable sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to proceed to modes and routines. And then in here we should be able to find the sleep option. If you go here for the first time, you can of course adjust it a little bit. You can customize it by creating an automation, so you can make the sleep mode be activated automatically. We can also make some appearance customization and so on and so forth. Or you can just simply tap on this turn on button to turn it on or turn it off the same way. Now if you activate it for the first time, then later on you can go to the quick settings panel. And then in here we can find the modes option. So if you have this bed icon, you can just tap on that icon to quickly enable and disable the sleep mode. However, sometimes you can see a different icon. So in that case, you want to tap on the button itself in order to find the sleep option in here. And of course, we can easily turn it on or turn it off. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.